We will undertake a mission Antyodaya to bring 1 crore households out of poverty and make 50,000 gram panchayats poverty free by 2019. That in the budget provisions of 38,500 under Manrega in 2016-17 has now been increased to rupees 48,000 crores in 2017 and 18. This is the highest ever allocation for Manrega. The pace of construction of the PMGSY roads has accelerated to 133 kilometers road per day in 2016-17. We are well on our way of achieving 100% village electrification by 1st May 2018. The target for agricultural credit in 2017 and 18 has been fixed at a record level of 10 lakh crores. Service charges on e-tickets booked through IRCTC will be withdrawn. I have stepped up the budget allocation for the national highways from 57,676 crores in the BE of 16-17 to 64,000 crores in 2017-18.